Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a very simple hairband. So this is what we are going to need. I'm going to tell us the length I'm using. This all depends on the client's length, circumference, hair circumference. So that's that. So from here to here, the length of this is 17, and then the width is 4 inches. I hope you can see it. 4 inches. So that's that for this. Then that's the shorter one, the short one. The length is 13.5 inch, and then the width is 3 inches. 3 inches. And then the elastic band, the length I'm using is 5 inches. 5 inches to 1 inch. That's the width, 1 inch. You know there are different types of elastic band, so whichever one you feel like using, it's okay. So that's that. So what I'm going to do next is this. I'm going to fold it like this, and I'll sew it from here to here. Then I'll go ahead and turn it to the right side. Also for this, I'm going to fold it like this, so from here to here, and I'm going to use this open here to also turn it to the right side. So let me go over to the sewing machine and do that. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to give it a very good press. You can see it. You can see how it is. This will be the back, and then this will be the front. So also with this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my elastic band safety pin, then on the smaller one I'm going to insert it like this. So what I'll do is I'm going to sew here. I'm going to sew here, but before that I'm going to use my pin to hold it. And also here. Make sure you arrange it properly. So I'll go ahead to sew here. So after sewing, this is what I have. This is what I have. So what I'm going to do next is to take this like this. Let me trim the edge. I'm going to place it on the center, fold like this, fold like this, and then sew. I'm also going to do the same here. It's in the center. Fold like this, and then sew. So let me go to the sewing machine. So as you can see, I finished sewing it. You can see it. You can go ahead to cut out the extra fabric. You see it then. See the way it looks? Very beautiful. You can see it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, like come your way next time with another interesting tutorial. Do have a lovely day.